let's spend some time reviewing the requirements for your poster and the resources to create it. Posters should at minimum be 24 inches by 36 inches in either portrait or landscape orientation. They must also include the following requirements: a title that matches your abstract, your first and last name, your pathway, a description of your beyond the classroom experience. To dive a little bit deeper into this requirement, this could include describing your role, title, responsibilities, and important moments. Include the amount of time you spent in this experience. Add any significant information about the group or location, such as its mission or primary purpose. And lastly, describe why you chose to get involved. Next, an analysis of your learning from your beyond the classroom experience. To dive a little bit deeper into this one, this would be describing the lessons you learned from the experience. How did this experience help you grow or think differently? How will you be able to apply these lessons learned? And what do you want to do next or learn more about? And lastly, photos representing the beyond the classroom experience. We are now going to look at designing your poster. So we do provide pre-sized poster templates on our website, but you can also create your own designs using PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva. Successful posters convey a clear message and present high impact visual information with an appropriate amount of text. So to do this, we suggest that you could break text into easy to read chunks, use easy to read fonts, and use high quality images. They should be readable with clear language and correct grammar and visible from 5 feet away. And they should be well organized and have the appropriate amount of text so it doesn't look like it is overwhelming, but you want to include enough information that the poster could stand alone if you weren't next to it. So it's trying to get the balance in between and the right amount of information. So while your poster design is ultimately up to you, we have a few recommendations to make it easier or to make it the best it could be. One is to be mindful when choosing colors. Think about legibility and avoid background pictures. As we mentioned, you could break text into easy to read chunks and using distinctive headers for each section. Use easy to read fonts at a minimum size of 24 and limit to 2 different fonts. And we also recommend checking the quality of your images before printing them and view them at the 100% size. So you're going to want to avoid pixelated pictures and graphs or clip art and make sure that they are not copyrighted as well. And before printing your poster, you should double check that it is the correct size of 24 by 36 inches. So it doesn't look blurry once you print it out. Lastly, we will discuss the printing of your poster. We recommend printing your poster no later than 1 week prior to the presentation. They can be printed on paper, vinyl, or fabric, depending on the timing, location, and budget that you may have. No preference is given on any material used. And students registered for poster presentations in the current semester will receive communications on different resources and current pricing for the different options and what is available to print your poster on.